Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can renew your driver's license online in Florida. In order to do so, head on over to flhsmv.gov. You can also search on the search engine of your choice. You'll find here the link. We'll go ahead and click on that. And that is going to take us to the driver's license and ID card section where you can renew and replace your Florida driver's license or ID card. You can find all the information here for doing so. And also you can renew online at MyDMV portal. So head over to MyDMV portal and you should be able to renew online from there. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, take a look in the description for this video and you will find a link to our link tree where you will find our top AI recommendations and promotions for the tools that we find truly valuable, like Cintra AI, Cider AI, and EnzoBot. You can use discount code at Cintra AI to get 60% off your subscription. Highly recommend Cintra. It is an amazing tool for business strategy. Cider AI is an incredible tool that integrates with your Chrome browser, and you can gain access to Cider Fusion, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and DeepSeek so that you can compare answers with the top chatbots out there and get the answers that you're looking for. Click on those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.